Hello everyone, this is Sari from Tech with King and I'm back with another new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install any PC software in your Android using UserLand application. So without any wasting of time, so let's get started. In my previous video, I have already shown that how you can install any Linux or Ubuntu in your Android using UserLand application. So this is the UserLand application available on the Play Store. In my previous video that I have already shown that how you can install Kali Ubuntu with LXDE environment. So in this video, I am going to show you how you can install any software in your Android using this UserLand application. Before installing any software, make sure you have downloaded the UserLand application, and the second thing, you have to download the VNC Viewer application. Both the applications are available on the Play Store. You can check out the download from them, and the download link in the description. So first of all, you have to open the UserLand. So in my channel there are a lot of videos that how you can install any Windows software in your Android, but every video have a different tutorial. So this is the different tutorial with the UserLand. So make sure you have internet connection in your Android phone. If you want to run any software in your Android, so make sure you have to connect it with your internet with this UserLand. So I have connected with my Wi-Fi. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and run any software. So I'm using this GIMP software. So this GIMP software is a photo editing software for the PC, and there are a lot of applications available in this UserLand application. So as you can check out, there are a lot of Linux OS. So it also have Firefox browser. In my next video, I try to show that how you can install and run Firefox. If you want to know, let me know in the comments. I try to make video on that. So it have some basic games like Adventure Zork, and this is some basic applications. So in this video, I'm going to install GIMP. This is the photo editing software. So make sure you have already downloaded the VNC Viewer. So let me just click on the GIMP. So it will going to tell you to enter name. So I'm going to just enter the name, your username. So you have to enter the password. So whenever you are entering any password in the software, so you must remember the password. So after installing, it will going to ask you to enter the password, so you must remember the password. So as you can see, I have entered the username and the password. So let's click to continue. It will going to ask you to which connection type you have to install, the software. So you have to make sure you have always selected this VNC. So I've selected the VNC and just click to continue. After clicking continue, it will saying like this, downloading request assets. So it will going to download some files. So as you can see, it will going to download some files, and it will be approx 121 MB. So it will going to take some time to download all the files. So let me just fast forward this video and come back after it's fully downloaded. After downloading some files and setuping some files, so it will be automatically open the VNC Viewer. So as you can see, I have already told you to download VNC Viewer. If you don't download the VNC Viewer, it will not going to open in any software. So it will show some error. So make sure you have downloaded the VNC Viewer. After downloading and setuping some files in the VNC Viewer, so it will telling like this, continue connecting. So just click to OK, and it will showing this like this. So just click to OK, and you have to enter the same password that I have already told you to remember, and I have already entered in the VNC Viewer application. So I have entered the password, just click to continue. So after clicking continue, it will some commands over here. So let me just turn on the screen rotation and turn my Android phone, because it will be going to landscape. So I have turned on the screen rotation and turn my Android phone and set up the camera. So as you can see in the screen, it will showing some commands over with the this VNC software, as you can see. So it will going to installing the software. So as you can see, It will going to install the software on the server, and make sure you have connected with the internet connection. The installation speed and the process will be depend on internet connection speed. So as you can see, it will installing the software in the server and will saying some preparing, unpacking. So this will also take some time, so let me just fast forward this video and come back after it's fully installed. As you can see in the screen, after some setuping the files, the GIMP 2.10, the PC software has been successfully installed and opening here. So it will going to extracting some files, so as you can see in the screen. You can see this is the GIMP software has been successfully installed and opened here. So as you can see, it will be running in the VNC viewer. So this is the VNC viewer. It's already installed in the UserLand. Both applications are necessary for this process. So as you can see, this is the VNC viewer has been successfully installed and opened here. So let me just show you. So if you want to create some graphics in the software, so this software is for basically for graphic editing. So as you can see, it has some features. So as you can see in the screen, I can edit. So if you want to save the edited image file, you have to save that image file on your server. So it will all, if you want to import and export any image file, so first you have to upload on the server and you have to insert. So let me just tell you. So I've already created the server name. As you can see, there is a server called King. I have not uploaded any image on that server, so that's why I'm not showing any image. So as you can see, this is the King. In the future video, try to show how you can import, export any image file. So as you can see, this is the PC software, totally fully running in Android. So the software is perfectly working. Every feature has been working. As you can see, I have checked all the features of the software are perfectly working. So you can also install and try this software in your Android. So after, if you want to close this software, just click to back. So it will going to ask you to, are you want to disconnect, just click to disconnect. So after clicking disconnect, it will be automatically disconnected and closed in your Android phone. Again, if you want to open, just click to UserLand and open the UserLand application and just get into this section, sessions. And as you can see, there is an option GIMP VNC app. Just click on it. Again, it will going to open in the VNC. Just click to OK. So just click to OK and enter the password what you have entered before installing the software in your Android. I've already told you to remember the password. So as you can see, it will again open from where we have stopped. The software and the project has been not disconnected yet. It will still here. So as you can see, at any time, at any place you can open. Make sure you have a good internet connection with your Android. So if you want to just click close, just click to disconnect. So as you can see, it will again get into. So there are a lot of software and games. In my future video, I try to show all this and I try to cover all this topic from this userland. Let me know in the comments. I try to make more videos. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, and if you have any question or problem, let me know in the comments. If you're getting any problem while running the software in your Android, let me know in the comments. I try my best to fix your problem.